Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Alright, I'm not seeing any scratches in the front at all or the paint chips. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender and wheel look spotless. Not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the driver door. This door looks perfect. No scratches, no dents. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the back bumper looks really good. You're not seeing any scratches back here at all. Everything is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything on this door looks fine. No scratches here, no marks at all. And now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel looks perfect. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. And we're gonna start with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side looks perfect. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on here at all. No scratches. Everything looks fine. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.